If you like hiking, backpacking, or adventuring, exploring the great outdoors, then this channel is for you. Get off the couch and come join me in the wild. Let's reconnect to our natural world. Let's escape to the great outdoors. If you want to support this channel, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for weekly updates. In today's episode, we're going to be visiting Mount Blue State Park in Weld, Maine. Come with me as we explore the beauty of Mount Blue State Park, from Webb Lake's peaceful shoreline to scenic mountain views and forested trails, a perfect Maine outdoor escape for hiking and camping and swimming. Today we're going to be hiking Center Hill Nature Trail, a easy short hike with a scenic view. Really, you don't even have to hike the trail if you want a view. They have one right at the parking lot. Mount Blue's rugged ridges were forged during an ancient mountain building event and later sculpted by glaciers, leaving behind the forests, rocky slopes, and the lake basin we see today. This is a really nice area. Lots of space for parking, probably 20 spaces. And the way up is paved. Looks like the trail starts over there. We're going to be doing a little loop trail. It's about 0.5 up the hill. But this is beautiful if you just want to come up here and drive up here and look at the beautiful mountains. Mount Blue State Park grew from a Depression-era conservation project when WPA and CCC crews transformed former farmland into trails, roads, and rustic outdoor spaces visitors now enjoy. In 1955, the U.S. Department of Agriculture transferred the property to Maine. Later, land acquisition expanded it to about 8,200 acres, including Mount Blue's former fire tower summit, Center Hill, and Webb Lake's recreational shoreline and campground. I guess this is a shelter. Oh look, there's a squirrel. Something. Trail keeps going that way. Looks like they have a fire pit. And they got some picnic tables. Into the woods we go. Overlook to the right. Are you enjoying these beautiful views? Then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button for more content. Oh, look, there's a little log bench. That's cool. A little picnic table. Nice view. Wow. I think these are irises, purple irises. As we make our way down the trail, next stop in the video will be going to Webb Lake and checking out the campground and nature center. If you're looking for a more challenging hiking trail, then make sure you check out Mount Blue. This trail has 3.2 miles round trip to a 3,187-foot summit where the remains of an old fire tower and open views look across the lake and mountains. The Webb Beach section of the park has a sandy swimming beach, boat launch, campground, picnic area, nature center, and seasonal programs. As always, make sure you have a Maine State Park pass or you'll have to pay at the gate entrance. They have flush toilets as well as some changing rooms. Here's the campground map if you're interested. They have 136 sites available for camping. Our next stop on the tour is to see the swim beach. It looks like they don't allow pets on the beach. For water recreation, they have swimming, fishing, canoeing, kayaking, and boat launching on Webb Lake. Canoe rentals, kayak rentals may also be available. The lake has smallmouth bass, white perch, and brown trout. For group gatherings, consider using the pavilion. Mount Blue State Park's Nature Center offers exhibits and seasonal programs that help visitors learn about the area's wildlife, forests, and natural history. It's a great stop for families, birders, and anyone wanting to better understand the ecosystems around Webb Lake. Mount Blue State Park has a wooded, family-friendly campground on Webb Lake with 136 sites for tents, trailers, and RVs up to 35 feet. Some campsites have electricity and others have water, but there are no full hookups at this campground. There's also an RV dump station to dump your waste. They have hot showers and flush toilets. Thanks for joining, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Thanks so much. I'll see you on the next one.